What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. I just wanna take a quick moment to thank everyone that has subscribed so far. It means a lot to us, and if you haven't already, subscribe, because we're gonna be coming out with some more content pretty soon. But for today, let me show you what we're gonna do. So, you know, my car kind of quiet, yeah?
Yeah, kind of.
So we're gonna be changing out these muffler deletes. I got the Invidia N1 race exhaust. It's used, but the guy that I picked it up from, I think he only had it mounted on for like a month, so it's fairly brand new. The only issue I see is there's like light scuffs right here. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but yeah, that's the only problem with it, but it's not even a big deal to me. Yeah, and then this is the race version, so it doesn't have the resonator on the mid pipe. Yeah, I've seen a few videos online, and it shows that it's a little bit louder than muffler deletes, but it is a deeper tone. So yeah, we'll see. We're gonna jack up the car and remove the old exhaust. So this exhaust, it didn't come with the bolts or gaskets, so good thing we have a spare like gasket sheet, so we're just gonna cut it to spec so it fits with the exhaust. This is the gasket sheet. So what kind of material is this? I know it's kind of like, what is this?
Ceramic.
Ceramic. Focus, bitch. Anyway,
You get the point.
you get the point.
You get the point.
Yeah. So I also picked up a couple bolts and nuts from Home Depot. It wasn't too expensive, but I only spent like $3 total for this, so. Okay, just took off the muffler deletes. They still look pretty good, no rust. The hanger right there for the Y pipe, and then Clyde over there is trying to break loose those spring bolts that connect to the downpipe. Trying to get those 2 spring bolts.
Got it out, boys.
Gee. Alright, so I just finished cutting up the gasket. It was kind of harder than I thought, but we got it done. It doesn't look too bad. If I put it over, it's a pretty good fit, actually. We're gonna take a quick pizza break and then put on the new Invidia. So we came across an issue with the stock bolts. So this thing was too short, and with the spring on top here, we couldn't get this thread to pass through the flanges. We got a longer one, about 10 millimeters longer, and it gave us just enough clearance to bolt it on with ease. I'm just gonna give you guys a comparison. So this is how the muffler deletes sound. Start up in the car. Focus. Why aren't you focusing? There you go.
Ah, there you go.
Oh, what the hell? It's kind of loud.
Oh, I already can hear a drone.
Wait, Spitfire now.
There's so much drone now. Holy
There's
shit.
a lot of drone now.
It's like all inside noise now, not
Yeah.
outside.
Not so much outside.
Sounds way different. Shit. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you haven't already subscribed, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.